Hi, my name is David Perez over at Bill Caldwell Ford. Today for the Feature Friday, we will be discussing the tire inflator sealant kit. The location of the tire sealant kit, it varies on vehicles. Majority of the time it's going to be towards the back. The kit itself contains an air compressor to inflate your tires, complete with an air hose, air pressure gauge, valve connectors, and sealing compound. Recommending the vehicle to be on to keep the battery from draining while you use the compressor. The compressor could be connected towards the 12 volt off to the side in the meantime while you are inflating or repairing the tire. Using this black hose to attach to the tire valve, now you're able to come back inside the vehicle. You can hook this up to the 12 volt and then dial it down to repair. Once those are all connected and once that's towards through the repair direction, you can hit the on. This little dial here will increase and eventually will decrease. That is completely normal. That just means that the tire sealant is getting pumped through, and then once it comes back down, you are done. To know what the pressure of the tires are, there's going to be a label on the driver door jamb. Specifically on this Escape will be a 36 psi. Once you're done with that, and as soon as the tire reaches the necessary tire pressure, you are needed to drive 4 miles in order to make sure that there's nothing unusual. If there is anything unusual or something seems funny, pull over, call roadside assistance so they can help you out with those questions. If everything else seems fine, not exceeding 50 miles per hour and or going over 120 miles. Now, just to make sure, some vehicles do not come with a spare tire. They do come with a tire sealant and or as an optional. Just double check into the vehicle, making sure you have what you would prefer. My name is David Perez over at Bill Caldwell Ford. Thank you for watching.